Hello, this is a question related to integration. We have to find out the value of integration. Integration x square sin x dx limit pi by 2 to 0. So we know that multiplication of two function u and b. Its integral is given by first function minus first function into integration of second minus differentiation of first multiplied by integration of second whole integral. We will use this formula repeatedly 2 times to solve this problem. So I is equal to pi upon 2 to 0 x square sin x dx. Let x square be first function and sin x be second function. So we will use this formula. So it will be first function multiplied by integration of second minus differentiation of first multiplied by integration of second whole integral limit pi by 2 से 0. So it will be x square d upon integration of sin x is, we know that integration of sin x is sin x dx is equal to minus cos x so it will be x square into minus cos x minus, we know that d upon dx of x की power n is equal to n into x की power n minus 1. So we will use this formula. So it will be 2x multiplied by minus integration of sin x minus cos x dx limit pi by 2 to 0. So it will be minus x square cos x plus 2x cos x dx limit pi by 2 to 0. We will use integration of formula, integration of parts formula, formula 1 again here. So it will be minus x square cos x plus 2. Now applying this formula 1, it will be first function into integration of second minus integration differentiation of first integration of second. Integration of second will be integration of cos x sin x dx. Limit pi by 2 to 0. So it will be minus x square cos x plus 2 x sin x plus integration of sin x minus cos x. So it will be here, because integration of sin x is equal to sin x dx is equal to minus cos x. So it will be, now applying a limit, it will be pi by 2 to 0. So on applying this, it will be minus cos first term will be, on applying it will be 0 because cos 90 0 plus second term will be 2 into pi by 2 into sin pi by 2 plus third term will be cos 90 0 minus this term will be 0 because x 0, this term will be 0 because x 0, and this term will be 2. So it will be 2 into pi by 2 sin 91 minus 2. So it is pi minus k 2. So answer C is correct. Thank you.